Hi everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Today I will tell you and I will teach you how to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel. On YouTube, the video sharing platform, users can subscribe to channels that interest them. But after a while, they can unsubscribe because the content of the channel is not interesting anymore. So, how to unsubscribe from YouTube? YouTube has content on almost every topic imaginable. And while some channels are worth hitting the subscribe button like ours, yes, hit that button right now, others simply are not. If you have subscribed to YouTube channels that you don't watch anymore, you can unsubscribe following these steps. So listen. If your video feed is saturated, you might prefer to try YouTube's Watch Later feature before you decide to reduce your channel subscriptions. This helps to create a personalized playlist of videos you actually want to watch rather than letting YouTube decide for itself. So, unsubscribing from YouTube channels on the web. This is the one that I will tell you. As a Google product, YouTube uses your Google account to maintain a personalized list of channel subscriptions, video recommendations, and more. If you want to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel on the web, which that's what we will do today, you'll need to sign into your Google account first. Once you're signed in, there are a few methods you can use to unsubscribe from a channel. The first one is from the channel landing page. A list of your most popular YouTube channel subscriptions are listed under the subscription section in the left-hand menu. And how can we get there? This is what we do. We can hit this button, and right here we're going to see those channels. So selecting any of the channels listed here will bring us to the channel's landing page, and it will be giving us an overview of their videos, playlists, or other information available to watch. So let's go to this channel. Right now we're in this channel of we're in their landing page. So what we're gonna do is, like, if we have already subscribed to this channel, we'll see the subscribe button in the top right, next to the notification alert icon, as you can see. But if you haven't subscribed, this button will say subscribe instead. To unsubscribe from the channel, we're gonna click this button right here, and YouTube will ask you for confirmation. Click unsubscribe to confirm you wish to end your subscription to the channel. But if you don't, you should click cancel. But I want to, so I will click this. And right now, as you can see, I'm not subscribed to this channel anymore. So once confirmed, your subscription to the channel will end and you're gonna stop receiving notification in your feed. However, the YouTube algorithm may continue to recommend videos from their channel from time to time because you have watched their videos, most probably you have searched for them before, so they might pop up any moment. And the second way to do it is from a posted video. Let's go to our main page again. And let's look for, yes, for example, this is a posted video that I have subscribed to this channel before. So as you can see right here, it will show as subscribed. But maybe I don't want to be subscribed to this channel anymore. So what will I do is I will hit this button right here. And YouTube will ask for my confirmation again. And I will say, yes, I want to. And right now, as you can see, it has turned red. So that means I can subscribe again, but now I am not. So this is the way. But as I told you before, YouTube algorithms still might bring you their videos or anything because you have watched them before. And this is how the algorithm works. So the third way is this. Let's go to our main page again by hitting this. And it is using the YouTube subscriptions list, which is right here. When we're not even touching it, we can just see here, as it's in the third one, subscriptions. We're going to click here. And also, if you don't know what channels you have you're currently subscribed to, or if you're looking to unsubscribe from multiple channels at once, so you don't have to go to their landing page one by one, you can use this list. To access this, just like I did, you're going to click here in YouTube's left-hand menu. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click manage. So because we want to manage our subscriptions. And right here, a list of our active subscriptions will be visible, as you can see right now. And to unsubscribe, we're going to click just like we did on the landing page or from a posted video. We're going to click this button like this. And of course, YouTube will ask for a confirmation. And this is what I'll do. And I can do one more. I can do as much as I want. As with the other methods, YouTube will unsubscribe from these channels, but these channels, even though you have unsubscribed, their videos might pop up in your feed. They can be recommended because of the algorithm. Do not forget that. You cannot just block the channel. So once confirmed, it will be removed. So you can then repeat this step for other channels on the list, should you wish to, if you want to. But our channel should not be one of them. Or if you haven't subscribed yet, this is where you're gonna do it. Below the video, you're gonna see our like, and don't mind the dislike button, and you can subscribe to our channel. You can share our videos with your friends so information will be spread. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this or about any other thing, ask me on the comments. I'm waiting for your questions and I'm waiting for your feedback. Thank you for watching. See you.